In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix message could not be sent on Messenger. So let's get started. So there are few reasons why your message cannot be sent on Messenger. Maybe it's because of your internet connection, or maybe your Messenger app is experiencing some bugs, or maybe it's being updated by the developers, and that is a few reasons why maybe you can't send message. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure to update our Messenger app. We want to go to Play Store, or in iOS, go to App Store and make sure that your messenger is up to date. And the other method we can do is to go to our phone settings. Now we want to go to apps. Now we want to find our messenger app. So here on our messenger, what we want to do is to go to storage, and we want to clear the cache and the data from our messenger. So this basically resets your messenger app to so it fixes some bugs. And after that, what we want to do is to force stop the app. And now you want to open the app again and see if the problem persists or not. But if this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.